Sure. All right, let us connect.
Yeah.
All right. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for choosing to be part of my session. Um, my name is Dipali Shah, and I'm the Assistant Director of International Student Recruitment with Futil and Dianza colleges. We are two community colleges located in the Silicon Valley, very close to San Francisco in California. So, if you choose to study with us, you're going to study in the Silicon Valley in California. Now, without wasting any further time, let me start explaining about the options that you have. So, our topic for today is explore transfer paths to top universities like UCLA, UC Berkeley, Brown, Yale, Stanford, and more through the community college route. How do you do this? And what are community colleges? How can they help you to get to a top university in an affordable way and in an easier way? Because we all know how difficult it can be to get your bachelor's degree from a top university if you apply for admissions directly. So, I'm going to first tell you about community colleges. So, what are community colleges? Well, just like you have 4 year institutions in the US, you also have 2 year accredited institutions in the US that are called community colleges. Community colleges provide 2+2 transfer programs for a bachelor's degree. That means if you decide to go to a community college straight after high school, which you can, you're going to complete the first 2 years of your bachelor's degree program at the community college. What you study at the community college are the same first 2 years of a university. It's the same level of classes, but in a more affordable way and in smaller classes. That means you get more access to your professors and you save a lot of funds by doing the first 2 years at a community college. Since we are 2 year institution, in the third year then you will transfer directly into the third year of literally any university in the US, or you can even go outside the US to complete your last 2 years. And whichever university you transfer to, you get your bachelor's degree from that university. That means you're a transfer student from a community college. It's still 4 years, but the format. Am I audible, students, or was I disconnected? I think I was disconnected. I'm so sorry for that. But I hope all can hear me. Please give me a moment and I'm going to share my screen. Well, I'm not able to share my screen. Looks like there is an error. Just a moment. Okay, now I can. Apologies, technology. We are all dealing with technology. All right. So I hope you heard about the transfer path. It's 2+2, first 2 years at the community college, last 2 years at the transfer university, bachelor's degree from the transfer university. Now, another thing that you really want to know is if you decide to go to a community college, you can also opt to take an associate's degree. An associate's degree is a degree between high school and bachelor. With this degree, you can work for 1 year extra on OPT after you complete 2 years with us and then transfer. So, associate's degree is optional. If you want to have this extra degree, if you want that 1 year extra work before transferring, you can. Otherwise, you can just complete the transfer requirements in 2 years and straight transfer to a university directly in the third year, complete your last 2 years, get your bachelor's degree. Now let's talk about how many community colleges there in the US. Like you already know there are more than 3,500 accredited universities in the US, 4 year universities. But do you know there are more than 1,200 accredited community colleges in the US? Yes, different states USA have different community colleges, but California has the largest number of community colleges, which makes the California community college system the largest public education system of USA and the most funded public education system USA. So currently 8.5 million students are studying at community colleges, and it's very common to do this in the US. Why do students choose to come to Foothill or De Anza? Well, we have more than 100 programs that we offer, right from science to engineering to film studies, psychology, business, sciences, biology, etc., etc. Also, our international annual tuition is just around $8,500, which is lesser than half the cost of most universities in the US. So you save a lot of funds. We don't need SAT for admission, so it's definitely easier to get to us and to transfer out than it is to go directly. Now, after doing 2 years with us, you can transfer to any university in the US or even go to countries outside USA like Canada, Australia to complete your last 2 years. At Foothill and De Anza, we have 130 transfer agreements. We have guaranteed and preferred transfers. And we are ranked number one for transfers to the University of California campuses, the UCs. In fact, we're part of the same education system as the UCs and CSUs, that is University of California campuses and California State University. So what do you study with us are totally transferable classes. Our student to faculty ratio is very small. On an average, we have only 27 students per class, which is definitely lesser than the big class size of big public universities. Now, if you go to a big public university directly in the first year, you'll realize class size is 200, 300 students, or sometimes 400 students. So sometimes you tend to get lost. You don't get access to professors and resources as an international student. But that doesn't happen at a community college. Smaller classes, only faculty teaching you, no teaching assistants in the classroom, access to international counselors who make your study plan, expert guidance counselors. You also have free tutoring if you want to work in your weak areas. We're ranked number one for safety. So you're in absolute safe hands. You're in a very safe community. It's the Silicon Valley. Now, I've already shared the rankings with you, but I'd also like to tell you that we are the second largest for international students amongst all community colleges in the US. And we are accredited WASC, so you don't have to worry about anything. As long as you pass, you definitely transfer. So how do the transfers work? Let's understand a little more. But before that, this is a very interesting slide. Just a visual explanation of how much money you can save by doing 2 years with us. So 2 years of our tuition compared with 2 years of Stanford, compared with 2 years of UC and a California State University. So you can see for yourself that you're definitely saving a lot of funds by doing the first 2 years with us. Now, how do the transfers work? Well, California, like all the 115 community colleges of California, have their transfer agreements with the UCs and CSUs listed on this website, assist.org. You're not restricted to only transfer to the UCs or CSUs. If you do well, you can go wherever you like. Let me give you an example. Now, you know there are 23 California state universities, and 1 out of every 10 employee in California is a student, is a graduate of a California state university. With us, we have transfer admission guarantees with all the California state universities. 50% of the students who study at California state universities are transfer students from community colleges, and it's an easier transition. Now, coming to the UCs, University of California campuses, we all know how difficult it is to get to UCLA, UC Berkeley directly after high school. The fact is that if you apply directly after your grade 12 in the first year of a UC, their admission rate is only 17.8%, 17.8%. But if you studied 2 years at a community college of California and then you apply for a transfer to a UC, their acceptance rate increases to 44%. And the GPA needed to transfer is lesser than direct admission. Why does it happen? Because we have transfer, agreements with them, and we are part of their education system. They are mandated by the law of California to take students from community colleges. So that's very interesting. So look at this slide. In 2019, we had 300 students that went to UC Berkeley that transferred, 982 to UC Davis, 786 UC San Diego, 544 UC Irvine, 290 UCLA. And we also had students that went to MIT, Yale, Brown, Cornell, Stanford, Texas, Austin, Ohio State, Purdue, Michigan, Ann Arbor, Carnegie Mellon, and the list goes on and on. In fact, we had a student who transferred on a fully funded mechanical engineering program to MIT. Definitely easier to get to the top universities this way with their requirements come down. Um, who have studied with us? Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, co-founders of Apple, have been our students. Chancellor of UCLA, Jenny D. Block, was a student. Barack Obama was a student of a community college. So it's a very common path to take, and you can succeed by doing this. These are some of our student transfers, but there is an entire list on our brochure. You can see the list of universities where our students have gone. You're not restricted to one country. We have more than 130 transfer agreements. You're free to go where you like. And if there is no transfer agreement, if you meet the GPA requirement of a transfer of a university, you can go there. These are some pictures of Foothill. Foothill is near the headquarters of Google and Stanford University. It's a beautiful campus with 10,000 students. That's De Anza in the city of Cupertino near the headquarters of Apple. This is where Steve Wozniak, co-founder of Apple, studied. The Apple Watch and the iPhone 6 were launched on our campus. It's a vibrant campus, lovely place with 20,000 students. Now, this is the exact location. It's the Silicon Valley, so you have access to the top companies for internships. You can do internships after the first year. You can also work part time with us on campus right in the first year. And yeah, you have opportunities for networking. Application is it's a simple online form. Upload your documents. We don't need SAT. You must take an English proficiency test, either IELTS or TOEFL or Duolingo PTE. Submit the application. And lastly, these are my contact details, but I'm going to now open for questions because I think we have around 5 minutes left. So I'll
Uh,
take questions now.
Deepali, we are running out of time, so I think students can join at table number 22, so that
Yeah,
in case.
sure. So I am at table number 22 in case you have any questions. So you can join me there and I can take questions one on one because now you already know about Foothill the answer. So you can come to my table and ask me questions. I am happy to help. Thank you so much. And I hope you
Thank
learned
you.
something new. Thank you. So how do
Thank
I
you.
go back? I should just